In this video, I'm going to talk about two things. The first one is, what is Canvas? And the second one is what the expectations are for Canvas First Step. So first off, we're going to talk a little bit about Canvas. And Canvas is the learning management system for Charleston County Schools. So a learning management system is a place where you can build out a whole course, you can have quizzes, all sorts of resources, and also integrate with other learning products that you might use in your classroom. During the course of Canvas First Step, you'll get to know a lot about Canvas, and there's a lot to learn. We want to make sure that you're not feeling overwhelmed and give you just what you need to take that first step in Canvas. As you're navigating your way through the playlist, please click on each one of the location bubbles, the ones in red, and watch the short video that accompanies it. Once you're finished, you can click on the panda to enter for a raffle prize during Great Teachers, Great Leaders. You can also take the next step and get your CCSD Canvas Certified Educator badge. The link is in the lower right by the panda head. If you decide that you want to get professional development recertification credit for completing this workshop, you can do that by clicking the link in the upper right where it says PD credit. That will take you to the Canvas First Step Canvas course. You'll notice that there's an overview and some course expectations. Following that, in Module 1 is the Panda Path playlist, which you've already seen, so you're going to work through your way through that. Once you complete the Module 2 knowledge check, you'll receive your badge and find out some next steps. One of my favorite next steps is for you to take the Canvas Certified Educator Level 1 course. In this course, you can earn a badge and show your status as a Level 1 classroom leader in Canvas. I hope the Canvas First Step course and the Panda Path playlist give you the tools that you need to get off to the right start in your classroom with Canvas.